In this video, I'm going to show you how I added $4,900 of monthly residual income to my income streams in the last 7 days. And if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you the entire sales system that I used to generate these results, and I only used my Facebook profile. Make sure stay to the very end of this video and grab a pen and paper, because I'm not just going to show you my results, but I'm going to show you how I got them. And again, if you stay to the very end of this video, or if you just click the continue button, what's going to happen is you're going to get sent over to the residual income system. Now, what this is going to do, besides my crazy hairdo, this is going to show you the exact 3-step system. So what this 3-step system is, we're using a business called This Is Not MLM. Now, why are we using this business? Well, it pays out $25 every single week for every single person you sign up. Now, as you guys see here, this is converting really well. I haven't used any paid traffic. I sent about, well, actually that's not true. I sent about 40 clicks of paid traffic, and I got about, I think, like 12 new members. So the paid traffic route is what we're focusing on, and that's why I set up the residual income system. But I didn't start with that. Literally, I got, I'd say, over 75% of this income is from my Facebook account. Now, if we go over to my Facebook account, what we're going to see here is we're going to see, I did this post about 4 hours ago, and I already got 4 new leads here. So the system works, and literally I learned this training from This Is Not MLM in the back office. So what we're going to be doing here, now if you haven't set up your This Is Not MLM account, there will be a button below this video to enroll in the This Is Not MLM, or you can continue over and I'll show you how to set that up in the Fast Start training. So either one of those methods is going to work for you. But what we're going to do is we're going to grab, once you've set up your account, you want to make sure you go through, you want to pay your weekly membership fee, and you want to set up your PayPal button before you actually go through and start promoting, because if you don't set that up, you're not going to earn instant commissions, right? The name of the game is we're going to earn $25 every single time somebody signs up to our business. Now, how are we going to use our Facebook? Well, as you guys see here, you're just going to be creating very simple posts, right? That is going to promote the This Is Not MLM system. And as you guys see here, I'm promoting the residual income system because in step number 1, I show people how to set up their account. And in step number 2, I actually give people this entire system. So all the landing pages I'm using, all the email follow-up, all the traffic sources. I also have a private Facebook group, and I have a bunch of bonuses which I'll be adding to the system throughout the coming days and weeks as we get this, ramped up and take it to the next level. But so far in the first 24 hours of launching this system, I've been able to generate 9 new members, just promoting the residual income system. So the system is working, it's converting very well, and I'm going to continue to tweak it and increase the amount of conversions that the system can bring you. So once we've set up our account, right, we want to go over to Facebook. Now, as you guys see here, we need something to promote. So that's where the residual income system comes into play. This is a problem that I seen with a lot of people that were signing up. I was getting a lot of signups, but people weren't able to duplicate my results, and a lot of people were having trouble. So I went ahead and set up the residual income system. It's very simple to set up. In 3 steps, you can actually go through, set up your This Is Not MLM account. Then you're going to go through in the system setup page. Now, if we just click this here, as you guys see here, I'm going to give you a share code. Now, I use a system called Power Lead System, and as you guys see here, I'm not leaving any stone unturned. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. If you guys want to follow along and copy what I'm doing, here's my system, okay? All you got to do is click the continue button below this video, follow step 1, 2, and 3, set up your system, and then start sending traffic to it, right? Start using our Facebook formula, which Vic teaches in this training. Start using the Facebook auto script, which is going to help you get 5,000 friends. As you guys see here, I'm at 3,900, almost capped out. I'm having to delete people that are inactive every day because I have so many friends, joining up every single day. Now, I'm just creating simple posts, right? This one post got me 14 leads. Right? As you guys see here, I'm sending access to all of these people. So is it time consuming? Yes. But when you're going to earn $100 every single month of residual income from every single person that signs up, you're going to go out there and you're going to put the work in, and all you have to do, everything's laid out so simple. Now with the residual income system, it makes it even easier. All you have to do is literally, go through step 1, set up your This is not MLM account, which you would have to do anyways. I'm going to walk you through, make it nice and easy, right? And then in step number 2, I'm going to show you how to set up the video or set up your very own system. And now look, I can't really show it. Let me pull it up on YouTube. So the video is 10 minutes long, right? So the system setup video of setting up this entire system. So you're going to get this exact training page. You're going to get this exact video that you're watching right now. I'm going to train everybody for you. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps and set up your system, right? As we see here, if I just scroll up, right, this is one of our landing pages, which you'll get access to promote as your own system. I've done everything. I wrote the sales copy. I did all the sales videos. I did all the training. I run the Facebook group. All you have to do is set up the system and start promoting it. Build your Facebook profile, right, using our Facebook auto script inside of the back office, and then promote the system, right? It's very simple. You don't have to do anything other than that. Now, inside of the system setup, I'm going to be adding a video showing you how to also build your email list. Now, one of the biggest things that you can do in marketing online is build your email list. So not only am I going to show you how to make money, I'm going to show you how to build assets as well. So what I need you to do right now is I need you to click the button below this video. You're going to get sent over to this page. I want you to watch this training, and I want you to set up your This Is Not MLM account. Once you've done that, I want you to click continue and set up your residual income system. Now, the residual income system is going to promote This Is Not MLM, and it's also going to promote the Power Lead System, which, if you remember, Power Lead System is the system that we're using to actually set up these funnels. So if I go into my web pages, right, and I just pull this up, everything you see here, residual income system, right, my Wednesday payday video, my bonus page, my traffic page, everything here you're going to get access to, right? All you got to do is go through the residual income system, follow the steps that I teach you, set everything up, and you're ready to start profiting very, very quickly. So click the continue button below once you've set up your This Is Not MLM account. Then continue on to set up your residual income system. I know it might, sound crazy. Holy crap, I got to set up this account, that account. If it sounds complicated, just click continue and go to step 1. All right? Click on step 1. That's going to walk you through how to set up your This Is Not MLM account. Click that enroll button, set up your account. Boom, step 1's done. Continue on to step 2. Right? Complete step 2. Close that out, continue on to the traffic page, get some paid traffic, send it to your residual income system, and boom, you're earning monthly residual income. All right, guys, that's it for this video. make sure, click the button below, set up your residual income system, join the Facebook group, and get in contact with me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys inside of the residual income system.